Yeah. Shrikant,
Tomorrow will always be session
uh,
there,
like
Sunday.
tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow will be session. Why?
Okay, okay. Just asking. Okay.
Okay. Uh, Hello everyone. We are on our day 12. Till now, we have made admin dashboard functionality. So today we will go ahead and we'll make professional dashboard. So the project that we are working for this bootcamp is that household service. So in that, now we will go for professional dashboard. So let me share my screen and uh, start doing it. But I expect that till now, everybody who is following the sessions has done with almost all the necessary functionality for admin dashboard. If have not, then please start it. Otherwise, means we will be very late. So we won't be able to ask questions or all those things because we have only 9 days left in the bootcamp. Uh, okay, so let me share my screen and we start. Yeah. Okay. So over here, I'll just run the server again. I'll log in as admin. We'll see that whatever we have covered. Okay. So this is what we have done till now. We want to go for search and states for now. We will just implement the core functionality for dashboard for all the users. So we have done admin. We have to do for professional and then customer. So I'll go for professional. So today we are going to create professional dashboard. So for that, I'll go here. I want the page to be look like this. So this is the layout. The session. Okay, so this is the layout. There will be this navbar. There will be this navbar, and I uh, share will all the active bookings the professional will see. So if I say active bookings, bookings means the services, service request, all those things that customer has requested to this professional. It will appear here, and active this one we can do this type of tab thing, active request and flag. So we can do same thing, active bookings, and similarly if I say requested bookings, and more thing that I'll say rejected. Three type of bookings will be there. Requested bookings means the bookings that are requested uh, by the customer, that will appear in the tab. Active bookings, that this professional has uh, accepted the requested bookings, so it will appear in the active. And then if he rejected any requested bookings, then it will appear in the rejected. So I think that is fairly simple. It is there. But before that, I want that like suppose this customer, this professional has registered under a service category called home cleaning. Okay, so he is registered under a service category called home cleaning. Okay, so now there should be this professional. under this service can create his bundles or plans that he wants to offer. So suppose he creates a plan, a service plan called uh, mm, deep cleaning, suppose, or pest controls, suppose. What we say pest control. So I'll just do. He created a plan pest control under this category. Okay. Now this is a plan. He can do multiple plan. He can create multiple plans. Okay. So that's what a functionality I want. So he create pest control. Suppose he will create uh, in the home cleaning. He will create a new bathroom cleaning. Okay. So this is what second plan that he has created. Now now if a customer go to his dashboard, customer go to his dashboard, he will be, suppose he'll search for home cleaning services. So he don't see the direct home cleaning services. He will see these packages by this particular professional, and there could be other professional that has his own plans. So he can create his own plans. So suppose he create other plans. So uh, the name can be different. So it says suppose sofa cleaning. So that could be the plan that this particular service professional has created. So the customer will see these plans, and according to his requirement he will choose the plans. Okay. So that's what I want. So for a customer, for a professional, he should see a button here also. uh, Create a plan. So create plan, and below that, below here, before this booking table, we can show all the bookings. So like this, for admin we have done this home decor. These are the categories. But for service professional, we will show the plans under those categories. Okay, for this particular service professional that he has created, or if he create a new plan, then it will appear in the new, in this above box. Okay, so that's what we want. Okay, so I hope you are like getting what we want to implement, right? Just give a thumbs up if you got it. Yeah. Okay. Now we have to start with it. So there is nothing that we have to we create from scratch. We can take all these tables from our previously used HTMLs. So for I have to create for. Uh, Let me zoom in first. Yeah. So I have to create for professional. So for professional, I'm creating a base.html again. HTML. Uh, Now I'll just copy the base.html from admin as it is, because it does not have anything that we require. Like we don't have to change anything. Uh, it's just that it should be professional dashboard.
Slightly increase the fonts are slightly in the
I
page.
have increased the font already
Okay.
because it won't like now it's not
Okay.
good, right? So
Okay. 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 Fine.
initially it was like this, so I just increased this. Okay.
Okay.
So this will be professional dashboard. This is also professional search. We'll see if we require any professional search or all those things. For now, it's there. Okay. So profile logout is there. Yeah, it's pretty fine, I think. Okay. So we'll see. In the title, I'll say professional and dashboard. For now, we'll say this. Okay. So we have to make a route for professional. So I'll go here. This is admin dashboard. This is all the functionality of admin. This is admin side. Now this is professional dashboard, right? So it's rendering a professional dashboard.html. So I have to add that base.html of professional to the dashboard. So in the templates for professional, I have this base.html and this dashboard.html. So I'll remove this. I'll extend the base.html extends, and I'll say professional slash base.html. So that's I'm extending, and just remove it. And I'm extending the block content. Block content. I think it's block content, right? I'll remove these unnecessary files. Okay. Yeah. So this is the base. So here, this block content. Okay. So I'll extend this block content, and in this block content, we will write our main block. So and block. Yeah. So I'll just create a main block. I'll say welcome H1. Welcome professional. I'll save it. I'll just go to professional dashboard. I haven't implemented that login required functionality for this professional, so I can go to this route. I think, yeah. So I'm coming on this route. So if a professional has to come here, he has to log in first. So I'll just go here, and in the routes, I'll say professional dot dashboard. I'll say login required. Okay. Now, if he's logged in, then only he can come here. Okay. So we will see that. But before that, we have to register a professional. So let's see if I have done something for registering a professional. Uh, Register where we have register. Yeah, this is the register professional functionality we have. So a professional will register, give his password, it will be his name, but he has to register under a service category, right? So I haven't got that category. For that, let's wait. Go to the browser. If I have any professional, I have a professional, and this category ID is required. So I'll first what I'll do. I required the category while registering, right? So I'll go to uh, register professional, and I will see that what I have done there. Okay. So this is the register professional. He'll give his name, email, category, in which category he belongs. He wants to register, and then password. So here he will see home decor, carpenter, gardening, because we have queried it from database, and we are passing it to this page. So that's why I'm able to see these categories here. Now, when he submitted name, email, password, and this category also, this category, I have to fetch this category name also, right? So I'll say cat underscore name, because he will register under that category, right? So I'm just fetching that category dot get. Now I'll say what is the name of that category I have to see. So I'll go to professional register.html, and here I am showing the category. So I have to give the name to this select uh, name equal to get underscore name, I will say. And if I go here, I have to do get underscore name here. So I fetch the name from the form that in which the category he wants to register, right? So let's print it if I am able to retrieve the name get underscore name. Okay, so let's try. If I'll just comment this down because I don't want to store it in the database. I'll say print done. Okay, let's try. I'll refresh it. Go here. I'll give a name XYZ, whatever dfc@gmail.com. I'll say carpenter. Password will be ABC. And if I submit, it says it should be email. Okay, I have done some type mismatch there in the register HTML. I'll go here. So okay, so this name should be of type text, not type email, right? And this email address should be type email, so it's there. This password is of type password, so that's fine. Okay, so it's something I have copy pasted it, right? So that's why it's giving this. I'll refresh it. I'll say XYZ give email.com. I'll say carpenter. I will say ABC. And if I submit, I will see this is done. Let's see that the category is printed or not. Okay. Uh, okay. Yeah. So this gate name is printed. Why it's printed? We have to see gate underscore name. Mm, okay. So for that, I have to check. Okay, I have to give this in quotes. I don't have this to give this in quotes because it's a variable, right? So that's why. I have to print this variable name, right? So that was there. I hope you get that what we are, why we are getting this get name. So if I refresh it, no, if I go back, refresh it again, try XYZ DFG Carpenter APC. Submit it, done. Uh, now this carpenter is appearing, right? Now let's see that I have to give this carpenter while. mm, okay, so in the gate name the carpenter is appearing. Okay, now I'll check that if whatever email he has sent is already exist or not. If it not exists, then I'll simply register it this professional. uh, I'll give the name, email, whatever email I have got, password, whatever password I've got. But also I have to in the models it says I have to provide under which category it is registering, right? So this is the category ID, and it should be category ID, not the name, right? So we are retrieving name from the database, from the form, right? For which category he is registering. So instead of name, we require the ID. So instead of sending name here, what I can do, I can specify this option value. This is a HTML attribute value. It says that what is the value when user click on this option. Okay, so if he clicks on the carpenter thing, then the value should be, by default it will go whatever the name here, right? But if I say that it should be ID. Okay, so if he click on the name, then ultimately the ID will be gone as a value. So now I have fetched the ID here. So if here he fetched the cat name, then if you click on the name, then it won't be the name. It will be the ID, because in the value I have mentioned that if you click on this, then the ID should be gone. So value telling me that what is the value is going to the route, right? So the value should will be the ID. Okay, so take it as not a name. It will be ID. So let me just show you. If I do get ID, and let me just again comment it, and done. Let's see if ID is appearing or not. Uh, I'll go back. Yeah, so if he is registering, home cleaning, he is, suppose he will click on carpenter, give ABC, and submit it. It's done, but here it's showing 2, right? So this is the ID we are getting. Because carpenter has ID 2 in the database. If I show you, uh, category, yeah. So it's ID 2. So I hope you got this thing right. Okay.
In the post method, we cat name will be entered by the customer, a professional
So
cat
customer
name.
has chosen that like
From where we have taken the cat name in the input method of the dashboard.
what is this cat name? This one.
Yeah, yeah, we are taking from the post method, no?
HTML, in the
HTML
HTML
post.
there is this input, select input. The select is an input, okay?
Name
Like
is your cat name.
cat
Cat name
name,
is the name of the input,
the
the input
input
type.
button, input field, okay? And the
Okay.
option will be the value that this input will contain, okay? So if you click on this name, whatever the name is,
Uh,
uh, ultimately the ID will be gone. By default, what was happening, this value attribute by default the name, okay? Whatever the
it
name
is
of,
taking in the backend. It is taking in the
yeah,
backend.
it is
In,
taking
in,
the backend.
we,
So this
we are
request dot
selecting the
home.
category, but the value is storing in the ID.
Yeah, so because in the value I'm sending the ID when he clicks on the carpenter. Okay, whatever the name
Okay.
of the service. Okay,
Okay. 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 Okay.
so if you see the if you really see the, let's just inspect it. Uh,
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Here in the container div, card div body, there is this form. In this form, there are this one, not this, yeah,
Most
third
of
one.
it.
So this is a cat name select button,
Yeah.
and in that there is this home decor. So the value is populated as 1 2 3. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, so these value are going. So if user click on home cleaning, the value will be gone to the route will be 1. If you click on carpenter, it will go to 2 and 3. By default, if I remove this value attribute, by default the value will be the whatever text is written here, home decor, carpenter, gardening.
Mhm.
Okay, so I'm
Okay.
just
Got it.
specifying
Got
that.
it. Got it.
Yeah. So it's there. Uh, this is the value. Okay. Now only I have to register it. Go to routes. Okay. So while registering, I have to go give the ID, category ID. So get underscore ID. I say. Let me see what is the name of this ID attribute in the professional category underscore ID. Okay, not get underscore ID. Get underscore ID equal to get underscore ID. What I have retrieved. Okay. Okay. So if we register, it will give it these 4 attributes. Register it, edit, and commit it, and we will go to login. Okay. So if he is already exist, I'll do this. If he already exists, then I'll flash a message, and I'll say, uh, Uh, email already exists. Okay. So wait a second. Some messages. Just quickly, I'll see. Yeah, sorry for that. Uh, so we were registering for this. Uh, let's try if I'm able to register it for or not. Okay. So I'll refresh it again. Put the name DFG and say DFG under gardening and password will be DFG. Submit it. Okay, we are going coming to login means we have been registered. See in the database. Let's see. Refresh it. So this has been appearing, but the status should be requested, right? So that's we have to again look for. So again, I'll say when the he first time will register, then status should be requested. And now, if he is requested, then admin will be able to see his entry in his dashboard, right? So it's there. Now let me remove this particular record. Save it. Now again, retry it. Uh, and go to professional dashboard. Yes. The card name. Okay. Yeah. So now if I see, so this is created password, status, and category ID. Okay. So he is able to register. Okay. Now mm I have to show it the dashboard. If he logins, then it should go to his dashboard. So now I'll put gmail.com, put the password, and it's of no use, right? So this drop down is of no use for me because I'm not using this. I'll remove this going forward. Submit. I'm coming to professional dashboard, right? Because I have registered and my that I'm logging, so that's why my session is already stored. Okay, so when I log in as where did I go? So if I log in as professional, if I log in as professional, then it will save my email in the session, and I will redirect it to the professional dashboard. So in professional dashboard, if I go down, yeah. So this professional dashboard required admin. This login required. So it checked the if email is stored there and is stored. Then I will see the professional dashboard HTML. Okay. So now, uh, uh, anybody want to ask anything?
We will see the professional dashboard only when the professional as a professional I have logged in.
Yeah.
Then it would go to the dashboard. This @login required does only this one.
No, it checks that email is stored in the past in the session. Okay,
Session.
but there is some logical thing.
Okay.
I like will be okay. Let me show you. Suppose I'll just log out. Okay, I'll just log out. I have logged out. If I see, is there any session cookie, I'll inspect. And where I'll go? I'll go to applications. There is no cookie. Okay, there is no cookie stored. Now let me log in as an admin. Okay, I'll go as admin XYZ and submit it. I'm in the admin dashboard. There is this cookie stored. Okay. Now, if from the here I will say professional dashboard, and if I hit enter, what do you think I should go able to? I'm logged in as admin. The cookie in the cookies, the email is stored of what we say uh, admin. For admin, the email is stored in the session. But if I want to go to professional dashboard, would I be able to go?
No.
I would, because it does not check that in which I'm going right in for
But you said when we do that login user thing and that loader thing also, so
yeah.
it fetches the current user and that is the object of um, respective customer only. Something like that you said earlier.
Okay, so okay, again I'll repeat those things. Okay, so
Okay.
now see here, mm, where I go in the login I should go right. If he logins, if a person login, this person is a anybody. Okay, this person is of any object because I have written or. Okay, so if it is
Okay.
because I am not specified that for which he is logging. Okay, so he could be of user. Okay, he could be of professional, he could be of admin. So in this person object, what is stored, I don't know for which class it's stored. Now I
Yes.
just checking the password. If this match, I'm just checking if it is user. Okay, then I'll if it is of user class, then I'm sending it to customer dashboard. Okay,
Okay.
but this login person, what it does, it will just take this object, it will search for a function get id. Okay, it will
Yes.
search for a function get id. By default there is a function get id. So by default that function get id function, what it does, it retrieves the primary key. Okay,
Yes.
and it will store the primary key there. But I've shown that why I don't want primary key to be stored, because everybody will have some 1 2 3, right? The
Yes.
user will also have 1 2 3. So I have override this function here, and I'm instead of primary key I'm storing the email. Okay, now this it does not this login user function does not see that for which class it is, right? It just take the object, it search for a function get id and stored whatever the thing is mentioned here. So it will store an email. Okay, for this also user, this will also store an email. And this for user, and this, yeah, for admin also it will store email. Okay, now it's stored for email. Okay, it does not tell anything about that for which class the email is stored. Okay, so here a email is stored for current user, but the Flask does not know for which class he belongs to. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
getting it. Now let's come to the load user. Okay, now what it does, it retrieves the session whatever stored in the session. For us it is email. Okay, so it
Yes.
retrieves whatever in the session, so it is email. It retrieves that thing, so it will retrieve the email that's stored. It will fetch the email and it search for that email in any of three, because it does not know in for which it belongs to, right? So it will
Okay.
search that, and it will get that object again. It will store in the current user. Okay, so the current
Okay.
user of whatever it is, right? So the current user of can be anything. So this uh, now for now our case, it is current user is admin, right? But now this now again what this login required does, now this login required will search here whatever. So admin dashboard it says that if there is any uh, session cookie stored. Okay, it does not check that for
Okay.
admin it should store. Okay, so now the classes does not matter here, right? So
Yes.
anybody who is login can be able to. So if I'm professional, I'll be able to go to admin dashboard. because I'm not checking that this person is admin or not. Okay, so what I can do, so see what I can do, there's something, because I know that current user is admin, right? Current
Mm.
user is admin, then he if he is logged in as admin, right,
Yes.
then he only able to go there, right?
Yeah.
So let me show it here for professional. So if I say I log in and come to here, okay, professional dashboard, I'll check that there's something, some session cookie is stored. It is stored, I don't know for which it's stored. It will check only for session cookie, even though I'm logged in as an admin. If I want to go to this route, so here I was showing, sorry for that. So here I was showing, uh, so I'm on the admin page, but I want to, from route, I want to go to professional dashboard. So the control will come here. It will say that if some session cookie is stored there, it is
Okay.
stored there, something, right? It is stored there for
Yes.
admin,
It's
even
for.
though it's for admin, but it's stored there. It will go inside. The method is get still. It will enter this template, right?
Okay.
It's not checking whatever the profession is. But what I can do now, now if I check here again, if I place if is instance, but now one thing, that the current user that is there, right, it is of admin, not professional, right? Professional. If I just check this, I'm checking that if the current user, because I'm here in the admin dashboard, which means that I log in as admin, right? So
Yes.
which means the current user is of admin type, right? So I'm checking that current user is of professional, then it should be able to go inside, right? Uh,
Um,
Otherwise, I'll say uh, uh, not authorized, whatever the spelling is. Okay. So if it is there, then now if I hit enter here, I'm a login as admin. If I hit enter this one, will I be able to go to professional dashboard?
No.
Yeah, because my current user is admin, and if it checks, the professional dashboard checks that the whatever the current user is, if it is a professional, then only he should go to inside. Otherwise, he should say not authorized. Okay, if I say return,
okay.
so if I enter now if I enter, it says not authorized. Okay,
Okay.
but if I remove this particular thing, this constraint, I'm just checking that session cookie is should be there, and whatever whoever come, it should come here. Okay, so if I go back again, I'll put the same route, uh, professional, and if I hit enter, sorry, professional, yeah, I'm coming here because I haven't, it's just checking that there should be an initiation cookie. It won't check that for it should be professional, right? So I'm keeping an extra authentication here, that if whatever current user is, whoever the current user is, for this case, for this professional dashboard, uh, it should be an instance of professional. Okay, then only he can go inside. Current user, and it should be professional, then only he will go inside. Okay, I'll just do this, else I'll return not authorized. Okay, so see why this problem come and how we overcome this. Like
Yes.
anybody
Yes.
has question, then you ask, right? It's a very tricky.
So one thing, get ID, we are in the back end where we are using get ID. Get ID was in the our model,
Yeah,
database model, get
yeah.
ID. So where we are using here in the routes and login part.
I have told you just now, right? So it check in the backend that login user.
Now, where it is checking in the model only.
See, again, I'll say that if I'm login, I will check password and all those things. After that,
Yeah.
password is mesh. I'm just storing this login user function. It is of login. If you go there, Flask login function, login user. I'm using this
Yeah.
function, and uh, what it does, it takes the object. It store the primary key of this particular object in the session using get id function. Okay, so by default that get id function is store the primary key. Okay, but now I override that get id function and I'm storing, instead of primary key, I'm storing the email. So it in the back end this function will call that get id function. Okay, you can take it
Okay.
like that.
In the backend, it will okay. That in the every login model,
Hmm.
we have changed that get ID through get ID method. We are changing the email, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So it's there. So for now, for admin dashboard, I can also do the same thing, right? If the current user is instance of uh, admin, then only he can use it. Current user, comma admin. I'll just keep it inside, and here I'll say else return not authorized. You can render a new template. You can just make a new template, not authorize, and you can whatever you can do with that template. I'm just saying that it's not authorized. And for search also you can do same thing. Okay, so if he comes to search, then also he should be admin, right? So then only he will come here, right? So for each route you have to like protect each route. So I'll just do this instance, and I'll check current user. If it is of admin, then only here you go. Else return not authorized. Similarly, here also I have done this thing, not authorized, and otherwise this one. Okay, so anybody has any question, just please ask, because it's a really tricky thing, right? Otherwise, give a thumbs up if you got it. Okay. I'll just log out. Oh, my server is down. Is it where this? I'll run again app.py. Go back. I'll say log out. Now I'll log in as professional. Just now I have logged in that this tfg@gmail.com. I just registered using this user. I'll log in the dashboard, and this is the dashboard I'm able to see for professional. Okay, so but now I've told you one thing in the start, that a professional will register. Okay, so while registering uh, the status will be requested, right? So his request will go to what do you say, admin, right? And admin, if he approve this professional, then only he can see and his dashboard and provide services, right? So otherwise he won't be able to see dashboard. Okay, so I don't want this to be appear. Okay, I want that a thing should be appear. So I can use Ninja template now. Okay, so where I have gone in the route, I'm coming here. This dashboard HTML is sent. This dashboard HTML is rendered for professional, and I say current user is equal to not current user, cu equal to current user. Okay, I'm sending the current user in the template. Okay, so I can use whatever attribute of this current user in the HTML. So now where is our HTML dashboard HTML of professional? Yeah, so here I'll say that cu if cu dot status equal to uh, equal to sorry, if his status is active, uh, I have to show it here in the main. So if his status is equal to active, then I'm very sorry. Yeah. If his status equal to active, then he will be see this welcome professional. Else, not else. I'll say elif cu dot status equal to uh, requested. Then he should see a p element that you your request has been sent to admin. Wait for admin's approval. See, this is a very professional thing, right? If it is active, then he will be able to see everything. So we will do anything for the dashboard if he is active. So everything we will do here. If he is requested, then he should be able to see this. Okay. Now again, if I refresh it, okay, there's something wrong. Okay, I haven't ended this. So I'll just do simply and if now it should work. Yeah. So it's saying your request has been sent to admin. Wait for admin's approval. Okay. But if he's requested, then he should be able to go to search, right? Because these nav will work, right? This nav button will work. So for that, um, I will keep this in the because the nav thing will be uh, done in the base.html, right? So I'll just go here. So I have to keep that mm, okay. So from here I'll remove this question, right? You got what is the problem, right? If he is requested, then he should not be able to go to state page or search page or wherever, right? So he should not be able to these things are not should be interactive, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I'll just say uh, I'll remove this question, this condition from here, and where should I go? Yeah, I'll just keep it here in the body. If he is active, then he should be able to, because this base and this dashboard is connected with this extent, right? So I can whatever I can use in this dashboard, I can use in base. Okay, so that's why I'm able to use this cu that I'm sending in through this route here, right? So I'm able to use it here. Now if he's active, then he will see this nav uh, and this block content, because the content is for main, and I'll remove this also. Okay, so in this block content, the main thing will be appearing. Okay, whatever the main thing is, For currently, the main is just remove this. Yeah. So in the main, it will say welcome professional. Okay. Otherwise, till now the main is finished. Otherwise, I'll say if the CU is requested, then he will see your request has been set to admin. Okay. So till above, it will be for active, and it will also cover the here. It will also cover this main part. So it's there, and after that, if it is not that he requested, then it will only show this P. Okay. Now if I try, if I save this also, yeah. If I refresh it, yeah, now this only appearing. Your request has been set to admin. Wait for admin's approval. Right. We got why we have simply done this thing, right? Any question in the Jinja template you want to ask?
No,
Okay.
I mean, I don't want.
Shrikant, do you want Avinash? What we have done is
It's okay, sir.
okay. Now,
In every part, we have to do this, na, for the customer also, for this part. Such type of things.
yeah, because suppose now that because customer will be active and flagged, but professional will be active, requested and flagged. Okay, so I have to do one more thing here. If current user who is the current user for this base.html, it will be the
Requested, yeah.
professional, right? Professional. If professional is requested, then this will show. Otherwise, I have to do one more elif. If he is flagged, suppose flagged by admin. Okay, so I'll say uh, if saved is equal to flag.
What do we mean by the flagged? Flagged means?
The professional admin has flagged that professional. Maybe he has flagged that, right? He has done something wrong. The professional has done something wrong. He is not following
Okay, okay. There is
rules and
message.
regulation, right? So admin has flagged
Okay.
that. So now I'll say you have been flagged by admin. You have been flagged by admin, and I just simply remove this. Because we have to keep this functionality. It's mentioned in my project. You have to see your project document what it's mentioned, right? I think it's there. It says that admin will be able to manage all the users on all those things. So I think in manage user these things come flagged on all those things. So you can implement that if you want. Okay. Uh,
Okay, sir.
so I've been flagged by admin. It's done now. Here also I should save it. Now this main only will work when the customer, the professional is active. So now I'll just simply remove it. I want to show a card here in the. Wait for a second. Let's just try. So if I log out, I'll just go. Um, application. I'm not able to go application. Delete it. Here also you can give a login logout button, so you can do that, right? Just a small anchor you have to write, right? Not that much. I'll go to again login. So admin, I'll login, submit it. So if I see in the requested, there's this requested professional. Just now we have registered, right? DFG. So I'll accept it. I'll accept. This request is accepted. Okay, I'll just log out. Okay, now if I again log in for that, now the status is not requested, it will be active. So I will be able to go to the I'll be able to see the welcome dashboard, right? Welcome professional. And if I submit, yeah, so I'm able to see. So that's why the Ginger template is working fine. So the current user is active, so that's why this professional welcome professional is appearing. Okay, now I want to show. So,
Himanshu, just one doubt.
yeah.
Uh, can you go back to login page?
Mm, okay, back to login page. Okay.
That DEF you logged in, right? Can you go back again? Yeah.
Here I say DFG.
This is professional, right? And why are you not selecting that drop down
Yo,
thing?
it's drop down is not working for me. Okay, I just
Okay,
keep it because if
okay,
you see
fine,
the
fine.
login route,
Uh-huh.
uh, if you see this login route, yeah. So here I'm taking simply user email and password. I'm not using anything from the drop down. If I'm using anything from the drop down, then I don't have to do this, right?
Okay, okay.
Okay. If
Oh,
look,
This is,
suppose
this is
uh,
the alternative method. You I think demonstrated that method also,
yeah, yeah.
right now. Yeah, yeah.
okay, okay, fine, fine.
So I'll just remove that thing, otherwise it will create confusion again.
No, 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 no problem. This one
Finish.
thing, one more thing.
Mm-hmm.
The requested, how this requested, because requested has been entered in the professional,
Mm-hmm.
new professional. How, where it is going to admin to flash in the message, which code in the routes.
I'm not getting your question. Like,
Requested is coming in the admin's page, na, for approval.
yeah. So I have queried that, right? Like you have to be aware that what we have done till now. So if
Requested,
admin go to his dashboard, what
yeah.
he will see active professional. He will see requested professional. So this requested
Okay,
professional will be
okay.
fetched from the database, right? So
Mm-hmm.
now, if a professional is requested, then this will fetch this line, this records. I sending this in the HTML page. So that's why if I go to admin dashboard in the it is gone.
Yeah, here it is
Yeah.
clear.
So for requested professional, this is active customer. Okay.
Okay, here it is. Okay, okay. Got it, got it. Okay.
Yeah. So here this Ginger template
Okay,
will
okay.
work.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you have to be aware that what we are doing. Okay. For at least your project, you have to be aware. So where I was, okay. So now my everything is working. If I go to this DFG and if let me refresh it, this won't appear now. Let me again log in. Yeah, so I'm coming in the professional dashboard. So all the authentication or route protection is done. uh, Now I have to show these things, right? He will create a plan, so all the plans will appear here. Now below that the booking will be appearing. So what I will simply do, I will take the admin thing, right? Admin not seeing the plan, he was able to see the categories, right? So instead of category, I will use that same card for showing the plans, right? So remove the I have to again write all those things, right? So I just extract all those things from the admin dashboard. So I'll go to admin. Yeah, I'm on the admin dashboard. Mm, where I go? Mhm. Yeah. So this is the card, first card that was showing all the categories, right? Uh, yeah. So I'll just copy simply. Yeah. Till here, it's showing all the categories. Not that. So I just copied that card. I hope you got that whatever the card is, right? Let me show you once again.
Yes.
This is the card, right? So here all the home cleaning service. card as percent. So I don't want, I want to use the same card, but for plans now. So I'll just copy that thing. And so if you write all those code, then for reusability, we can use. We don't take any much time. So I'll just paste it here. And now I'm not getting the categories. For now, I'll just remove it. I won't remove it. There will be a table in the models. Where this model goes. Up, up. This service plan class is created already. So it has a ID. It will have a service plan name. Whatever the plan user, the professional want to keep, he will keep a price and he will keep a description. You can leave these plans and this image and text. Okay, we are not doing this, so you can forget about it. But this plan will have a professional ID, and under which professional it was created, it will have a category ID in which category this plan has been created. That also it has, and for this plan, what all the bookings are present. Okay, so that is also there. So I'll to show in the professional dashboard. In the route, I have to go, and where I am in the dashboard. So I'm going to dashboard. Now I want to show all the currently created plan for me. So I suppose I am a professional. I'm going to my dashboard. I want to see my all the plans I have created in my dashboard. So for that, I have to retrieve those plans, my plans from the database. So I'll just uh, uh, query plans, and I'll say bb dot session dot query, and from service I have to call this service. For models I have to call that, right, service plan class. And now I go down. So service plan, I'm fetching filter underscore
Do
by.
we have the service plan table?
I have just shown you, right?
Okay,
Just
okay,
now I showed, right? Let me go again. This service plan is created. It will have an ID. It will have a name. What is the plan name?
okay,
And what
okay.
is the
This,
price? What is the description? And in under for which category this plan is. So I'm a gardening, right? Suppose I'm logged in as a gardening. So the professional who has created this plan, this ID will be gardening, right? So it's there. And I'm a professional. I have created this plan. So this professional ID are also there. And this is the relationship for bookings. So whatever bookings under this plan, it will come. We can fetch it using this attribute bookings. Okay.
okay, okay.
I'll again go to routes where I go on. Just okay. So I'll filter by. Now I have to filter my plans. Okay. I want to filter. I don't want to filter all the plans. I want to filter my plans because I'm going to my dedicated dashboard. So who am I? I'm a current user, right? I have logged in, user current user. So and there is this professional uh, underscore ID. If you see in the models, a plan is under a professional ID, and I want to retrieve my plan, so I have to match this ID with my ID. Okay, so I'll just match with this ID, professional ID equal to I'm logged in as a current user dot ID. So my ID matched with a attribute in the service plan professional ID, and all the plans that will match with this ID, I'll fetch this, and I'll send it to plans equal to plans. How we are fetching it, right? I hope you understand it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I want to show my all the plans. So I fetch corresponding to my ID. Uh, Now the plans is, so this current user makes everything simple, right? So that's why I showed this Flask login. It is not recommended for your project, but it makes all the things simpler. Otherwise, I have to keep that ID again and again in the loop. Okay, so that's it makes it simpler. Now let's see if I'm able to see my plans because I haven't created any plans. So I'll just create service plan here. Mm, so the
One doubt,
category.
sir.
Uh,
Suppose
uh,
after creating some tables in the model,
mhm.
suppose we add another table, then it will be added in this, na? We have to
No, the
change.
database schema you have to delete it again do it.
Okay, data we have to delete and then again you have to load it.
Yeah, yeah,
But other things will function, na, like that. Only one table is
yeah.
added.
The database has to you have to just change the schema. Okay,
Okay, okay, fine.
but
Thank you.
just make sure that you don't change the existing table schema.
Yeah, yeah, I got that. Okay.
Uh, so professional ID will be. Let me check once. For third professional, I want to register, right? DF fourth professional, so that ID will be 4, and it has a category ID 3. So I'll go to not professional. Mm, where it goes? Yeah, service plan. I'll create a new, and the value will be whatever one. Name will be, suppose I say uh, bead removal, and price is 100 because this third category is gardening. So I'll just keeping a service plan name weed removal, and professional ID is 4, category ID is 3, description is all in one solution. Okay, so just for now forget this plan image and text. Okay, I'll just create this, save. It's under it's created. Okay, now the professional ID is matching with my ID, so it should be fetched from the database here in plans. It should be fetched and it should have gone to dashboard HTML, right? So I'll just save it. I'll go here, professional dashboard, and now here the variable is plans, right? So it's there. Now I dot name will be there. The name is weed removal because the attribute name is name. And now under instead of base price, I have to do price. This is the price, and he can edit a plan. Okay, so that's is there, and yeah, I think he is able to see it. Now, if he want to suppose edit it, then for edit, wait a second. Yeah. So for edit, there will be this ID. Uh, we will just keep this uh, form button till now as it is. We'll just remove the action. It should not be admin because we have copied from admin, then that's why it's appearing. If you want to change the current category name, we can change base price, no, base the plan price. Okay, not category name. Change plan name, price, edit. Yeah, it's there, so you can edit already existing. And otherwise, if you create a new, then also it's fine. Okay, let's see that if it works or not. If I go here, not this one, yeah, here.
Go to
I'm on.
admin dashboard. No?
No,
Yeah.
why admin dashboard? I'm on the professional. Professional will create plans, right? Under this category. Uh, do you have any doubt or
In the query, we were taking the admin oblique professional.
where in the query?
In the HTML here, here. Yeah,
So
here, yeah.
I just said right that just keep it because you have copied, right. We will change. It's not that permanent,
Okay.
right? We'll change.
Okay, not right
Good.
now.
So we are not creating a new category just now. Okay. It is just I have to just wait. I have to just say plan, not category, and it will be price. Okay. Let's see if I go. Yeah. So this for this professional, it should not be search category. It should plan, and this is the plan he has created. This professional has created. So this is the plan grid removal he has created. I'll just remove this service category and say service plan. So he has created this. I hope till now it's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can create a new plan. So I'll say create new plan. It will open a uh, it will open a model that says create plan. CRE. Spelling is a bit messy, so you can just use according to you. So create plan. It will be this model will be open, and instead of new category, I'll say because it's saying new category. It should not say new category. It should say new plan. So it's new plan, and this action he's creating a new plan. So the action should be for professional. Professional and I'm sending all this request to this only this route, right? You can keep another route, and according to you, you can do whatever things you want. So action equal to create is there. It will create a plan with some price, and also I'm saying that I'll give a description also. So number I don't want. I'll say text cat not cat description. I'll say plan BSC. For this price also I'll say plan price and plan name. Fine. This price also correct, not price. It should be just DSCRI or description. So it's there. Description is there. This plan is there. Yeah. So this button is done. Now if I refresh it, create new plan, plan name, price, description. Okay. Now I have to something do it with this edit. Okay. I'll go to this from plans. I'm just querying. I dot name price is shown. This edit button will be shown. Edit will have ID. Uh, Edit not category because if I click on this, it says edit category, not category. I want edit plan. Okay. Now we should go to again professional dashboard with ID equal to plan ID. So I dot ID because I corresponding to a plan because in the column it's I. So I dot ID means the plan ID and action will be edit. So I'm editing it. Not get change. The input name is plan change name. Uh, change plan name instead of get change price, plan change price. Similarly, he can change the description also. So I'll just say okay, text plan change description. See, DSC. It doesn't matter. Description. Edit it. Oh, yeah, it's fine. Okay.
Where we are using this ID of the input tag, where we are using
What is the ID?
this ID of input
It's
tag.
already. I just we are not using anywhere. I
Not
just
using, no?
fetch. I'm just taken as it is from the
Okay.
Bootstrap. Okay. So Bootstrap
Okay.
will give everything. So we are not using currently anything. Okay.
Okay. You are
The
changing, no? It is not correlated with our code, no?
no.
Just
I
it is a
just
name.
yeah.
Okay.
You can otherwise leave it, right. So just you
Okay.
just
Okay.
have to be
Yeah,
aware
we
of
are
this.
using name. You are using name.
So this description is shown. So initially it was category edit category. I will just refresh it. If you click on edit, now it says edit plan, change plan name, it will change price and description. I hope it's fine. Here you can able to see create a new plan. Now I have to write something for to create a new plan. So now again, yesterday whatever we have done, we have to do the same thing again. Uh, Here now from the home, it will be request dot method equal to post if request dot args dot get action equal to create. Because creating a plan, I'm giving action. Sorry, not here. I'll just keep it here. Yeah. So here for this creating a new plan, I'm giving action create. So it will go here. It will go here and
Himanshu, can
yeah,
you take the code from admin dashboard only, like
yeah,
routes you
we can
created?
create.
We can copy paste the same thing and do the required changes.
Oh yeah, yeah, that will be great, right? So
Yeah.
it's the same thing. So this is the create. I think we required everything, right? So we'll require create. Till now we'll require this create and edit only.
Yes.
So I'll just copy it. So create and edit. After creating it, it will be go to again professional dashboard. Professional and again here professional dashboard. Same here professional dashboard. Uh, yeah. So here I have to see. It will be create category.
Create plan.
Create plan we have to do. So the name is plan underscore name
Plan
and
name.
plan
And
underscore price. So plan underscore name, plan underscore price, and I want this description to be shown. Plan underscore description. I think it's the same. Okay. So now if I query from the database, if something is of that plan with that name is present, because if a plan with that name is present in the database, then and professional ID is matching with current ID, because two professional can create same name, same plan name, because they're corresponding to that respective professional, right? But
yes.
a single professional cannot create same plan name for his, right? The double he cannot create double plan, okay, with the same name. So I'll
Mhm.
just check that for this professional underscore ID is there current and the dot ID. So this category name, whatever the professional has given, the plan name, sorry. This plan name, PLAN underscore name. Is there anything wrong? Okay, I have to change the variable. Plan name, uh, plan price, and plan description. And I'll say, okay, it's okay. Check it, not check it, check plan. So I'm checking a plan. If with this plan that the professional has given, with that name, and for this particular professional, a plan is already exist, then it says that a plan with the same name is present. Right. If not, check plan. I hope I'm not going too fast. Okay, so plan underscore name and not base price. Now, not category, right? I want to create a plan. So service plan. So service plan. Name will be whatever the name I have submitted through form. Plan name. Uh, Price will be plan price, and um, plan description. I think whatever the name is, I am
Yes.
not sure. Is it description?
Table, I don't remember. Models, what we were
Okay.
in.
Description.
Description is there.
I just copy it. Description equal to plan underscore DSC. And also I have to give the professional ID, right? Because for this professional it's registered. Professional, oh, sorry. Professional underscore ID equal to current user dot ID. So I'm creating a plan with this plan name that here given with price, whatever description is, and for me, right? So I have to give the professional ID. So it's there. Or under which category it's also registered, right? Under which category it's registered. So right, because this is also a primary key in the, if you see,
Yes.
so this is also a foreign key, sorry, a foreign key from category. So I have to fetch that under which category the professional is registered, and then that will be the category name, right?
Yes.
Category underscore ID. I think the spelling is wrong. CATH. Okay, it's fine. And now, how would I fetch the category
Current
ID?
user dot category ID.
Current user, that is professional user dot uh, category ID, right? It's already there in the
But for this above query, where we are actually checking for the existence, there for professional ID we have to pass current user dot. I don't think so because we are querying service plan table.
yeah. So so
So
so
current.
suppose there are two professional. Okay. So
No, I understood why we are adding professional ID, but instead of using current user dot ID, okay, got it. I think, okay, I understood now.
if you have any questions, just ask. Okay.
No,
Otherwise,
no, I got it. I got somehow I was a bit confused, but it's fine.
yeah, these things are confusing. When you will do your project, also then it will right.
Oh,
But if you have clarity in your mind, then it will be okay, right? So that's there.
okay.
Yeah. So I think
So,
we have
can
created, right?
you, Himanshu, can you once show me in models.py that professionals table?
Professional table, is it? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the professional table.
Okay. So when we are doing current user dot category ID, we are going. Okay, now I got it clearly.
Because this profession is registered under a category, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, fine.
And yeah, so you should be create a plan under that category also, right? So
Yeah,
that's why
because current user is having a object of this professional table, right? So that's why
yeah.
when filtering the records, we are using current user dot ID,
Hmm.
and here when we want that category ID thing, we are fetching it from there. I got it.
Yeah, yeah. So professional ID, I'm doing ID only, and for category, for I'm doing current user dot category ID. Okay, so that's why.
Yes.
Okay, and let me just remove this. I'll say plan. I'm creating a plan. I'll add it to database plan, and I'm committing it. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So it will be created. I think there won't be any issue. We'll see. But okay. I go here. Refresh it. Mm, seed planting, and I'll say 1,000 um, seed planting solution. You can just create this. Yeah. So it's appearing here, right? Okay. It looks fine when our code works. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Definitely.
For edit, I'll just do again. Hmm. So I want to edit this category, right? So let's see in the database in the HTML what I have done. So uh, for this edit, it's going to professional dashboard with ID this and action will be edited. So this ID will be now that this plan ID, right? Because I is the plan object, correct? So it's going to that ID and it will edit that. So change plan name, plan change price, okay, plan change description, and I'll just click on it. So it's coming there, nothing wrong. uh, route.py edit action get id it will fetch from the argument. Now it will be change plan, uh, plan change price, okay. So I have to fetch it from what I say service plan, and if that id matches with that, I fetch that. It will be plan plan and plan. So now if I only send plan, then it will be change uh, plan change name, and it will be uh, okay then plan, not this plan. Okay, and I have to do if elif remove, and if I have sent only name, then that name only change. If I have sent price also, then this price will be changed. So not elif, I have to do if. Okay, so plan base, not the base price, it will be price, and plan change price, and also same thing for description also. So I'll just copy it. uh, Plan change price, not price, plan change. I have to fetch it from the first from the HTML. Plan change the ESC. This will be plans in TSC. It will be TSC and TSC, and it will be description. Okay, and I'll commit it. Okay, I think it will work. Let's start. If I refresh it again, I'll change description. Hello only. I'll change name. Okay, because I haven't shown the description here, so it won't work. It like it will work, but we won't be able to see it. We have to see it in the database. So I want to reflect it here. Seed solution and edit it. So it's working. I think yeah, it's working. So now it's done. So you have joined late, Nika. So do you want to ask any question or do you have any doubts?
I had a doubt from the yesterday session, but only if there is time, then only I will ask. Otherwise, maybe tomorrow we can do that.
Okay. So I think this is enough for today's session. So I'll just
Okay,
stop recording and then we can discuss the doubts.
sure, sure.
Yeah. So I think it is we have whatever we have done. We have professional dashboard, and we are just professional will be able to create pro plans and edit existing plans. Okay, so we will see the bookings thing later in the next session. That will be tomorrow, and everybody who is watching the recording, I request all of you to join tomorrow's session. If you have any doubt, just please ask because no, a lot of people see recording, but I think they are not active. So just ask your doubts. Otherwise, we have only 9 days. Okay, so yeah, I'll stop the recording and then see you in the next session.